In this episode, we're going to be talking about the microbiome connection, soil, plants, and us. Beneath our feet, in the soil, lies a world teeming with life, tiny invisible organisms that not only sustain plants and ecosystems, but also profoundly impact our own health. These connections between the soil, plants, and human microbiome are essential for life as we know it. In this video, we'll explore where we get a healthy microbiome, the consequences of imbalance, and the critical steps we can take to nurture these vital microbial connections for a thriving planet and ourselves. The microbiome refers to the trillions of bacteria, fungi, and microorganisms living in and on us. They protect us from disease, aid digestion, produce essential nutrients, and even influence our mental health. Similarly, the soil microbiome supports plant health by breaking down nutrients, cycling carbon, and forming symbiotic relationships with roots. A healthy microbiome begins with the healthy soil. When we consume fresh, minimally processed food grown in nutrient-rich soil, we ingest beneficial microbes that colonize our gut. Additionally, exposure to soil through gardening, farming, or even spending time outdoors supports the microbes living on our skin or in our respiratory system. Farmers and gardeners have more diverse microbiomes due to their regular contact with soil microbes, directly impacting their immune health and resilience. When our microbiome becomes imbalanced due to poor diet, overuse of antibiotics, or reduced exposure to natural environments, it can lead to serious health issues. A depleted microbiome can cause vitamin deficiencies, gut disorders, or even skin problems when the protective coating of microbes is removed. Antibiotics are life-saving, but their overuse comes at a cost. They don't just kill harmful bacteria, they also wipe out beneficial microbes, weakening our immune systems. Worse, overuse of antibiotics in humans and agriculture contributes to the rise of superbug bacteria, resistant to most types of treatments. The gut-brain connection highlights the profound role of the microbiome in mental health. Beneficial microbes help produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood, reduce anxiety, and depression. This connection is why a diet rich in diverse plants and probiotics can support both physical and mental well-being. The good news is that we can actively support the health of our microbiomes and ecosystems that sustain them. Here's how. Steps. Prioritize fresh, diverse, and minimally processed foods, especially those grown in healthy soil. Spend time in nature. Garden, hike, or simply touch the soil to connect with natural microbes. Avoid overusing antibiotics unless absolutely necessary. Support medical efforts to reduce antibiotic misuse. Grow native plants and use compost to enrich your soil, supporting the soil microbiome. Studies show that kids exposed to diverse microbes early in life have lower rates of asthma, allergies, and autoimmune disorders. Our health is inseparable from the health of the world around us. By nurturing the soil, plants, and ourselves, we create a thriving future for all life on Earth. Together, we can restore balance from the ground up. Subscribe to Planet Healers for more tips and inspiration to heal the planet and yourself. Share this video and spread the message.